Animals and their eating habits. Animals are living things. Like humans and plants, they also grow and need food to survive. They also need energy for their daily activities. This energy comes from the food they eat. Animals need food to grow, stay healthy, and to get energy for doing work. Plants are able to make their own food, but animals are not. They either eat plants or the flesh of other animals or both. They are classified based on the food they eat. Herbivores. Some animals such as cows, horses, goats, elephants, etc. eat only plants. These plant-eating animals are called herbivores. Carnivores. Some animals such as the lions, tigers, snakes, wolves, etc. eat the flesh of other animals. These flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. Omnivores. Some animals such as the bears, jackals, cats, dogs, human beings, etc. eat plants as well as the flesh of other animals. These animals are known as omnivores. Humans eat vegetables, fruits, nuts, etc. as well as meat, fish, and eggs. All living beings depend on plants for their food. All human beings and animals depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food. They eat plants or the flesh of plant-eating animals or both. We know that a deer eats plants and a lion eats deer. Thus, the ultimate source of all types of food is plants. If we observe carefully, a chain of animals is formed which shows that living things are eaten by other organisms in a sequence and forms a chain. This chain is called a food chain. Eating habits of animals. Different animals eat different types of food. Herbivores have sharp and broad front teeth. Herbivores such as cows, goats, camels, etc. eat plants. They have sharp front teeth to bite the leaves of the plants. These animals also have strong and flat teeth at the back side of their mouth. These back teeth help them to chew the food properly. Have you ever seen a cow or a buffalo while grazing? They swallow their food without chewing it. After some time, this unchewed food comes back into their mouth and they chew it properly with their back teeth. This process is known as chewing the cud. Carnivores have sharp and pointed front teeth. Carnivores such as tigers, wolves, lions, etc., which eat the flesh of other animals, have very sharp, pointed, and curved front teeth. These teeth help in tearing the flesh of other animals. They also have strong grinding teeth at the backside of their mouth. These grinding teeth help them to chew the flesh and bones of other animals. Animals that swallow the food. Some animals such as snakes, frogs, and lizards, etc. swallow their food without chewing it. Such animals have no biting or chewing teeth, but have a flexible jaw. A snake can swallow animals which are bigger than it. Gnawing animals. Some animals such as rabbits, squirrels, and rats, etc. have a pair of very sharp, long front teeth to bite their food. They bite and gnaw their food using their teeth. Feeding habits and mouth parts of some other animals. Frogs have long, sticky tongue which they shoot out to catch insects that get stuck on their tongue. A mosquito stings and sucks blood using its sharp, hollow tube in its mouth. Leeches also suck blood. A butterfly sucks the nectar from flowers using a long, hollow tube which is present in its mouth. An elephant has a trunk that helps it to uproot plants. Elephant also uses it to tear off leaves from trees to eat. Its trunk also sucks water and shoots it into its mouth to drink.